Okay, everybody, this is Willie Guevara once again. What I want to do today is Friday the 13th of April is I want to wrap up the two trades that we engaged in today. We ended up with one winning trade and one losing trade, okay? So, well, the chart that you happens to be here on your screen is the Euro Yen. They triggered almost the same time as the Euro Dollar. I had put a sell stop here. You can see this is the Willie box of the London session. I put a sell stop at 106.58. We actually triggered on the blue line here. This blue line is our entry price. We triggered during the Frankfurt session. We were up, a little bit, a few pips. And then you can see we cycled back into the middle, maybe 2/3 of the box. And our stop here is the red line, 22 pips. I put together a target of 20 pips, which eventually got hit, by the way. But you can see that we were in the trade here a good 2 hours. And actually, my pending order was sitting there for even a longer time, maybe another hour or so. So a good target there based on this support line at 106.36. So we made, the actual trade master copier closed at 18 and a half pips or something like that. You can see price is now consolidating within these two support and resistance zones. Now let's talk about the other trade that I took, which is a very good trade for lessons. A lot of our traders, on how confusing this market can be. Okay, this particular trade on the euro dollar 15-minute chart triggered here at the price of 131.63. Based on support resistance, that was a good entry because it broke this box. Okay, at the time that I took this trade, this is the color of the Willie box, the aqua box, and we broke. Now you can see we got a price went down to 58. We're up about 3 or 4 pips, and then the market decides to go the other way during Frankfurt. My original stop was 22 pips. You can see that the original stop held by a few pips. But what I did, as I normally do, and I'm not sure it's a very good practice, is I decided to tighten my stop to 20 pips, and I just got nailed to the pip on my stop, all right? To the exact pips. Many of our traders in the room, Bal and Lin, held on to their stops and did not get stopped. And you can see that price came down to as low as 54. Right now it's at 56. You'd be up about 5 or 6 pips right now if you just held on to that trade, okay? So let's take a look at how we did for the day and how we did for the week. There are several people now who are following the Willie box on the trade copier program, and I'm glad to report that as of today, Friday, April 13th, we finished our first 10 days of trading, and this account is up 4.7%. That's pretty good, huh? And more importantly, the last 3 days I've been trading break even. Last 3 days, a lot of our veteran members said they're really difficult in the London session, and rightfully so. So let's go ahead and look at the result, the history of these last two trades, which are recorded here. So the first trade is the euro dollar. You can see I took a 20 pip stop with slippage 20 and a half, down 0.98% on the account. But then on the euro yen, I took an 18.2 profit, which is a 1.9% gain. It actually made money because the yen is worth more in dollars than the euro. In fact, if you look at here today, you can see that I lost 2 pips, 2.3, but I made 20 cents. Okay, so most of you who are the trade copier made like $1 or something like that today. More importantly, all our metrics look good in terms of profit factor, expectancy, and you can see there's now 35 trades placed. This is no commission, so everything is built in. So I think I'm very happy and pleased with the results, despite the last 3 days breaking even. And like I keep saying, that the mark of a good trader is if you can have a bad day or mess up your trades and you end up break even, you're certainly doing something right. So that completes our trades for this second week, and look forward to seeing all of you next week.